Hello and welcome to ServiceNow crew. On this video I'm gonna show you how the client scripts works on the ServiceNow platform. Feel free to check the description and check the official documentation, leave a comment and questions, click on like and subscribe. So then we're gonna start. So what are the client scripts in ServiceNow? Basically, the client scripts in ServiceNow are JavaScript log codes that runs on the client side. This meaning that they are executed on the user's browsers in the front end, and basically they help to improve the experience by dynamically controlling from behavior of the form, such as automatically filling fields, showing or hiding elements, validating user inputs, sync alerts, notifications, and rules on load, on change, on submit, or on select. Unload client script. As the name explained, the load client script it's run when the form is displayed on the user view. So we're going to create a small example. I'm going to type onload example, and we have to select a UI type. The UI type means basically the site in which the client script will be running. In this case we're going to select all and the type onload. Okay, so we are gonna display an info message just to make sure that it's running correctly. So onload example. If you wanted to create a specific video for all the G4 methods that we can execute on the client side script, just let me know in the comments. But well, I'm gonna open again the incident form, and if you can see, at the same moment in which the form is displayed, the info message is displayed also. So then I'm gonna set a value on the short description field. We're gonna create gform.setValue. Then we have to type the field name, in this case short description. Then set value onload. Okay, so I'm gonna save this, and if we reload here, then there is a new value. Okay, so this is a small example of how the onload client script works on ServiceNow. We're going to continue with the next type of client script. On change client script. For this example, we're going to create a new one. So on change example, for this guy, we're going to select a UI type also. Then on change type, this is important. For this case, we have to select the field which will be triggering the block code of the client script. In this case, we're going to use urgency. If you can see, this is a validation for if the new value is empty or if the form is loading. Just return and the script will not be executed. But well, we're gonna create an info message. You're gonna use the parameters on the function. As you can see, we can use new value, so I'm gonna type new urgency value is new value, just to display it on the screen, which is the new value of the field. Then we are gonna add from old values to display the older value for the field that we're gonna change, in this case urgency. Okay, so after reload we're gonna change this, and then there is the example 1 from 3, 1 from 3. Why the older value it's 3? Because is the value that is set on the server for this example. Okay, so in this case then 2 from 1, we change to 3, 3 from 1. Okay, so basically if we change the value without save, the older value must be the saved on the record. Okay, so for this example we're gonna use a few more logic, this one in specific, just to change the field color on a different values. Okay, so if the priority is 1, this must be red. If the priority is 2, must be yellow, and the 3 return to white color, or is not color there. So basically this is example for the unchanged client script. We're gonna continue with unsubmit client script. Basically unsubmit means that when the user tries to save the values or make a submission on the form, this script will be run. So we're gonna check form get value. We're gonna make a validation just to check if I don't know, description is empty or if not. If description is empty, we're gonna display an error message saying that the submission is aborted. So we're gonna type abort action. Okay, this is not really aborting the submission, but it's just an example. So we're gonna reload the incident form, then we're gonna try to submit, and if you could see, there was an error message that is displayed for a few seconds, because after that the form was reloaded. So I'm gonna try with caller ID, same validation exactly. If empty, we are going to display an error message. So let me reload the form, and if it's empty, there is the error message, and if it's populated, the submission was as expected. Unsolid. This is a different one. The past examples that I've gave you runs on the form, but this is unsolid. So this means that on the list view, if you modify a specific field on the list view, this script will be running. So this is an important thing. This is works something similar as on unchanged client script. So we don't have access to GForm here, so we're going to use a JavaScript alert to print the new value. Okay, something similar like the onChange one. And for this kind of claim script, we have to specify the field also. So for this example, we're going to use the shared description. So if we go back to the list view, we reload. I'm going to change this, and if you can see, there is the new value. Okay, so if you can see, there is another parameter on the function, which is all values. This is something important that you have to know. We're going to say the same alert than the onChange example. We're going to print these all values because we have a different feature here. So if we select most of one record on the list view and we modify it, there is, as you can see, there is the new value. Okay, but if we select multiple ones and we change 3 records at the same time, there is a new value, but it is the 3 oldest values and respect the 3 records.
Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a comment if you have any concern or any other topic in which you would like to discuss on a next video. Thanks for watching. Let's subscribe and see you on next time. Bye bye.